Hi, this is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication here again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install WhatsApp Messenger to your iPhone 15, 15 Plus Pro and Max or any other version of Apple device. In this case, you have to have one Apple account. If you don't know how to make an Apple account, check my video how you can do that. Check the video description. Then you have to go to App Store. Go inside. In App Store, you'll see many options. You have to hit the searching option here. And you have to type WhatsApp. Here we go. At the top, hit this one, WhatsApp. And the first one is not, the second one is the original WhatsApp. Hit this one. It's done. Hit open. Now hit agree and continue. Hit allow. So your phone number appear here. So after verification, you can use your WhatsApp very easy and simple way. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.